Nano-Resin AST is a new ceramic coating for car paint made by Dr. Beasley's. This is a professional grade ceramic coating that can only be applied by an authorized detailer with Dr. Beasley's. AST stands for Adaptive Surface Technology. When applied, AST forms a hexagonal memory polymer nanostructure that responds dynamically to changes in temperature, moisture, and contamination level to provide superior self-healing, water repellency, and dust resistance no matter what the environment. The hexagonal memory polymers that make AST dynamically responsive to the environment also enhance the self-healing response. This unique nanostructure self-heals faster and more completely than elastomeric ceramic coatings, effectively erasing swirl marks before your eyes when exposed to heat. This ceramic coating is perfect for black and dark color vehicles. Its incredible thickness produces an ultra-wet finish that makes paint look like a pool of water you could jump into. Pair that with self-healing properties that erase pesky swirl marks, and you've got a ceramic coating that makes maintaining a beautiful ebony paint job easier than ever. Nano-Resin AST is graded for 25 years or more of durability when properly maintained. This service life durability means that Nano-Resin AST will protect paint, trim, and glass for as long as the vehicle is regularly washed and reinforced according to the proper maintenance program. For information on Nano-Resin AST and how to find an authorized detailer, visit drbeasleys.com, and you'll find the links in the description below.